The analogy I use for that listeners are familiar with is that we're all focused here on building the house. And if tornadoes come through, it doesn't matter how good we are at building the perfect product roadmap and using the perfect template and getting the perfect data, because a tornado, which comes from Mount Olympus and the warring gods on Mount Olympus, demolishes all of that. So there's a point in your career where you realize, oh, I have gotten as good as I can be at writing this kind of document, at getting this kind of data, at understanding the problems, and it doesn't matter. So now what?
Yeah. When you've been hit by the executive tornado enough times, you begin to come to the conclusion that either you're just doomed and you should give up, or hopefully instead, you got to figure out how to manage the tornado. You got to figure out, how do I actually make sure that the things that we're working on are lined up with the priorities of the powers that be, with the goals of the organization? And when the tornado comes, you can be in a position to sidestep it by saying, we all agreed, you and me and the rest of the executive team, that X, Y, and Z were priorities for good reasons because they will drive the future of the company. Is this emergency really actually more important than any of that stuff? And maybe the answer is no, or maybe it really is yes, in which case you actually would agree with making a change.